Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're preparing this delicious bowl of soup packed with lots of goodies. So if you want to see how I achieved this delicious bowl of soup, just continue watching, guys. Okay guys, giving you a quick run through of our ingredients. We have some chicken feet, cow tripe, and cow skin. We're going to wash those properly and cut. And in this other bowl we have pumpkin, potato, okra, carrots, scallion, thyme, garlic. We have our noodle and we have yam. And we're going to cut these and wash them with lime and or vinegar. And for the rest of the video will be self-explanatory, as I'm having a sore throat these days, so just keep on watching, guys. And to my new supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Please make it fully official by tapping the subscribe button and putting the notification bell on so you won't miss another upload. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for always coming back and checking out my videos. So just keep on watching, guys. Enjoy the music, and I'll catch you at the end of the video, or if not, catch you in another upload. Thanks for watching, guys. You can definitely cook your meat in a regular pot, but for me, I'm using a pressure pot. But I'm going to check this like every 10 minutes. I'm going to let the pressure cooker cool down. Then I can check my meat because I don't want them to be melting soft, if you understand what I'm saying. So just continue watching, guys.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you get some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
This soup is ready to serve, and the smell in the kitchen, guys, is spectacular. And here is my soup. As I mentioned, I said I didn't want my meat to be melting soft. Look at my cow skin still holding up. This is all we need. It's soft enough, but not melting soft. So hope you guys enjoy this one. And thanks for watching, guys. And please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on to become an official member of the family. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.